Hey there, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things about YouTube. Today we're going to be discussing one of the most important topics for content creators on YouTube, monetization. If you're a YouTuber, you know that monetizing your content can help you earn money from your videos. But what exactly are the YouTube monetization policies, and how can you make sure that your videos are eligible for monetization? Let's dive in. Section 1, YouTube's monetization policies. First things first, let's talk about YouTube's monetization policies. YouTube has strict policies in place to ensure that only high-quality, original content is monetized on their platform. The goal is to provide advertisers with a safe and brand-friendly environment to run their ads. To be eligible for monetization, your channel must meet certain criteria. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Additionally, your content must comply with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Section 2, Types of monetization on YouTube. Now that you understand the eligibility criteria, let's talk about the types of monetization on YouTube. 1. AdSense. The most common form of monetization on YouTube is through the AdSense program. 1. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply for the program and enable ads on your videos. 1. YouTube will then place ads on your videos and pay you a portion of the revenue generated from those ads. 2. Channel memberships. Channel memberships are another way to monetize your channel. 2. This feature allows your viewers to pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content or perks. 2. You can offer different levels of membership, each with its own set of benefits. 3. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Super Chat and Super Stickers are features that allow viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted in your live chat or add fun stickers to your stream. 3. This can be a great way to engage with your viewers and monetize your live streams. 4. Merchandise Shelf. The merchandise shelf is a feature that allows you to sell your own branded merchandise directly on your channel. 4. You can promote your merchandise in your videos and on your channel page. Section 3, Advertiser-friendly guidelines. To ensure that advertisers feel safe running their ads on your videos, YouTube has strict advertiser-friendly guidelines. These guidelines prohibit content that is deemed controversial, violent, or promotes hate speech, among other things. Additionally, YouTube reserves the right to demonetize or remove videos that violate these guidelines. If your video is demonetized, you will receive an email explaining the reason for the demonetization. You can then edit the video to bring it in line with YouTube's guidelines and request a manual review of your video. Keep in mind that the review process can take up to a few days, so be patient. Section 4, Tips for monetizing your channel. Now that you understand YouTube's monetization policies, let's talk about some tips for monetizing your channel. 1. Consistency is key. One of the best ways to grow your channel and become eligible for monetization is by being consistent with your content. 1. Set a schedule for uploading videos and stick to it. 1. This will help you build an audience and increase your watch time. 2. Quality over quantity. While it's important to be consistent, it's even more important to focus on quality over quantity. 2. Make sure your videos are well produced, engaging, and provide value to your viewers. 3. Engage with your viewers. Engaging with your viewers is key to building a loyal audience. 3. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that your viewers will love. 4. Promote your channel. Promoting your channel on other social media platforms can help you reach new viewers and grow your audience. 4. Share your videos on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and encourage your followers to subscribe to your channel. 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you reach new audiences and build relationships with other creators. 5. Find creators in your niche and reach out to collaborate on a video or project. 6. Utilize YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you understand your audience and how they interact with your content. 6. Use this data to make informed decisions about the content you create and the way you promote your channel. That's it for today's video on YouTube monetization policies. Remember, monetizing your content on YouTube takes time, effort, and patience. Focus on creating high-quality, original content, engaging with your viewers, and promoting your channel, and you'll be on your way to monetizing your channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.